Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen. Sanibonani thandwa zami. Namhlanje I would like us to reflect on the Gospel of Luke chapter 7 verses 11 to verse 17. The Gospel of Luke chapter 7 verses 11 to verse 17. Igama lami nguFather Thembelani. I am a Catholic priest in the Archdiocese of Durban. And so I would like us to look at this word of God. It's something absolutely so powerful. And so if we start from verse 11, soon afterwards, Jesus journeyed to a city called Nain, and his disciples and a large crowd accompanied him. As he drew near the gate of the city, a man who had died was being carried out, and the only son of his mother, and she was a widow, and a large crowd from the city was with her. There's something engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo in verse 11 and 12. There is a movement here. There is a movement here. There is a movement ezohlangana at the gate. There is Jesus and his disciples and the crowds. These are three groups of people: Jesus, the disciples, and the crowds. And they are moving towards this small village, the city called Nain. And bayongena kuleli doloba. And now we know that Jesus represents life, because in the previous chapter verses we know that a centurion had said, "Lord, I am not worthy that you should enter under my roof, but only say the word and my servant shall be healed." And we know the story ends with the servant being healed. So we know ukuthi Jesu ungukuphila. Now we see this beautiful movement la in the city of Nain kuzofika ukuphila khona. Life approaches the city gate. And that's the first movement. Then in verse 12 there is a second movement. There was a man, his only son, who had died, and his mother was with him and the crowds. Once again, three people, three different kinds of people, except laba ukufa kuyaphuma endaweni kuzohlangana no Jesu at the gate. There are two important things here: life and death. I don't know namhlanje kuseni mawuvuka uvuke unjani. I don't know namhlanje kuseni when you tapped in and checked in whether you felt at peace, content, blessed, happy, or sad, troubled, worrying, scared. I don't know. But there are always these two things that seems to be at loggerheads: life and death. Angilazi usuku namhlanje luzosiphathelani, kodwa mhlambe ngifuna ukuthi nangu uNkulunkulu esinikeza ukuphila. Kunezinto engifisa ukuzisho manje kuseni. Ngibuka uJesu eyongena kuleli dolobha ezoletha uqobo lwakhe elingukuphila. Ngibuka labantu bephuma kuleli dolobha Leli dolobha ligcwele ubumnyama nokufa nosizi nezinyembezi. Kuvuka kumina umhlabeleli othi mawungangedluli Jesu lapho ubabiza abanye mawungizwe nami. Athi isihlalo esomusa ngikusona ngiguqile nami. Kuyavuka kumina ithandwa zami ukuba namhlanje ekseni besingeguqeni ngamadolo. Besingekhulekeni sithi Nkosi njengoba kufika kudabuka lokusa ake ufike nakweyami impilo nakwelami ikhaya nakwesami isimo ungilethele lokuphila engikuswelayo. Kuyavuka enhlizweni yami ukuthi ithandwa zami njengebandla likaNkulunkulu besingeme yini okhalweni simmemeze sithi Nkosi ungadluli ngendlela ake uvakashele ikhaya lami nakhu singakwazi ukuhlalisana ngokuthula. Ake uvakashele ikhaya lami nakhu singakwazi ukulala singesabi. Ake uvakashele inhliziyo yami nakhu ibalisa. Ake uvakashele umndeni wami nakhu uzoqedana uwodwa. Yavuka kumina lenkonzo ukuthi besingemmemeze uNkulunkulu namhlanje ekseni. Besingemmemeze uNkulunkulu namhlanje ekseni sithi Nkosi ungadluli ngendlela. Sithi Nkosi salusungena empilweni yami, salusungena emndenini wami, salusungena kulesimo engibhekana naso, salusungenelela kulezinto ezingikhalisayo, salusungenelela kulezinto ezenza inhliziyo ibe buhlungu, salusungenelela kulezinto engingazi ukuthi ngizobhekana nazo kanjani. uNkulunkulu wethu uthembekile, uNkulunkulu wethu unomusa, uNkulunkulu wethu usenzela isimanga. Namhlanje ithandwa zami we are reflecting on Luke chapter 7 verses 11 to 17. And I find this absolutely powerful. Ukuthi verse 1 to 10 uJesu uke wamenywa amaJuda, uke wamenywa iCenturion, yathi Nkosi inceku yami iyagula to the point of death. Iyagula to the point of death. Kodwa lensizwa iya inokholo oljulile uma ithi Jesu, Lord, I'm not worthy that you should enter under my roof. Nkosi angifanele ukuba ungene ngaphansi kophahla lwami, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ngezwi lakho angaphila, ngezwi lakho imsedara iyawa, ngezwi lakho injonga ziyawa, ngezwi lakho ama-altara yawa, ngezwi lakho inhlangano iyahlakazeka, ngezwi lakho ontshontshiwe kuyabuya. That's the prayer for today. Nangu Jesu ezodlula ngendlela. Mawungangedluli, asike simmemeze ekseni njengeyinhlanya. Asike simmemeze ekseni, pray as if there is no any other day except today. Kuthi Nkosi ngicela usalusungenelela. Wakwafika esigabeni la sengikhathele, sengikwenze konke, uthi akusale sekwenzeka okwenzakalayo, mina ngikhathele. Kufuna namhlanje ithandwa zami simmemeze uMtaka Maria, simtshela ukuthi Inkosi lo muzo ongena kuwona abafunani, lo muzi ongena kuwona siyazondana, lo muzi ongena kuwona siyanukana, lo muzi ongena kuwona sipheka amabhodo ahlukene, lo muzi ongena kuwona siyathakathana, lo muzi ongena kuwona siyamonozelana, lo muzi ongena kuwona siyaqedana. Yabona ngiyifisa lenkonzo yokuba neqiniso uNkulunkulu, yokumtshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi uyabona Nkosi, lo muzi engikumemela kuwona asifunani, leli bandla engikumemela kulona asifunani, lendlu esikhulekela kuyona siyaqedana, lo msebenzi engikumemela kuwona uyasilimaza. Yabona ithandwa zami, there comes a time empilweni zethu when we need to be honest with ourselves and with our God. Ukuthi Nkosi, angifuni ukukukhohlisa, angifuni ukukutshela ngithi kunomsebenzana omncane engicela uzongenzela wona, kunento encane engicela uzongibhekela yona. No, ngifuna ukukutshela Nkosi ukuthi la isihleli khona sekuyanuka nokunuka, la isihleli khona sekunezimpethu, la isihleli khona kunezidumbu esifihlile, la isihleli khona kunokufa esingakhulumi ngakho, la isihleli khona Nkosi akusekho ukujabula, kodwa ngiyakumema ngenelela moya ongcwele. Ngiyafisa simtshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi, ungangiboni ngiye esontweni ngigqokile ngimuhle ngicula mina nabantu abamasabhekani. Nkosi, ungangiboni ngivuka mina njalo ekseni ngemsebenzini mina nabantu engisebenza nabo siyahlekisana nje inhlini kodwa sifunani. Masimtshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi, ngenelela, ngena kuleli khaya, ngena kulomuzi, kodwa Nkosi ngicela ukukuxoxela ukuthi njoba uzongena thina la ekhaya sihleli nesidumbu, njoba uzongena thina la ekhaya sihleli nomuntu ogulayo, njoba uzongena thina la ekhaya sihleli nomuntu oshawe stroke, njoba uzongena thina la ekhaya sihleli nomntwana odlwenguliwe egcekeni, njoba uzongena la ekhaya sihleli nomuntu ongasebenzi, njoba uzongena la ekhaya sihleli nezinkinga esingazi sokwenze njani, njoba uzongena la ekhaya kune divorce, njoba uzongena la ekhaya siyabulalana, njoba uzongena la ekhaya siyashayana, njoba uzongena la ekhaya sesiqedene, njoba uzongena kulomuzi nasi isimo ozosifica. Uyangithinta umntaka Maria ngoba uthi mezosondele sezongena, uthi obhala kahle wahlangana nalensizwa in verse 13, when Jesus Lord saw the woman, the widow, he was moved with compassion for her, and he said to her, ungakhali. Ngilithanda lelo gama, ungakhali. Ngathi uthi sengifikile, ngathi uthi inyembezi zakho sezanele. Ngithanda lenkonzo uNkulunkulu angenzela yona, athi angabona lo mfelokazi. Kunenkonzo ngelinye ilanga engifuna ukuhlala kuyona, ngixoxela ukuthi akekho umuntu oyintando yezulu njengentandane nomfelokazi emehlweni ezulu. Akekho umuntu uNkulunkulu amthandisa okumfelokazi nentandane. Kodwa uJesu kunezwi alishoyo namhlanje athi mayibona lo mfelokazi ebesethi ungabusakhala. Kathi namhlanje uNkulunkulu ubesho kumina nakuwena, athi sithandwa sami, athi inyembezi zakho seyifikile kumina. Athi asekho isidingo sokukhala, asekho isidingo sokubalisa, asekho isidingo sokulila, asekho isidingo sokukhala. Ufuna ukuthi kuwena ithandwa zami, mina ngiyayazi indoda eyesula izinyembezi. Mina ngiyayazi indoda esula inyembezi zeminyaka. Mina ngiyayazi indoda esula inyembezi zenhlekisa. Mina ngiyayazi indoda esula izinyembezi ze-public humiliation. Mina ngiyayazi indoda esula izinyembezi zehlazo. Mina ngiyayazi indoda esula inyembezi ufelwe umntwana. Mina ngiyayazi indoda esula inyembezi uphelelwe umsebenzi. Mina ngiyayazi indoda eyesula izinyembezi abantu sebekubuka njengesilima. Uthi namhlanje kuthina, do not weep. That's the word for today. Ungakhali. Do not weep. Ungakhali. No matter what you are going through. Noma ngathiwa uthwele ibhokisi. Noma ngathiwa umntanakho umgonile useyafa. Thina namhlanje uNkulunkulu wethu ungakhali. Ungakhali ngoba mina sengifikile. Ungakhali ngoba mina kuphila kwakho sengikhona. Yabona ithandwa zami, ikhona inkonzo ewujabulisayo umphefumulo wami. Inkonzo yokwazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuyobikela uNkulunkulu. Ngiyakwazi ukuyoxoxela uNkulunkulu. Ngiyakwazi ukuyotshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi, noma isimo sesinje, noma izinto sezinje, khona inkonzo ewubusisayo umphefumulo wami, inkonzo yokuxhumana noNkulunkulu. Yabona, kuzo zonke izinto ezenzeka empilweni yakho, kuzo zonke izimo nezigameko, uze ungalibali ukuba nendawo yenhlangano phakathi kwakho noNkulunkulu. Ze ungayeki ukuba nenhlangano phakathi kwakho noNkulunkulu. Athi obhala kahle bengiyakumfuna uThixo. Athi mase ngimtholile bengiyakuyibika indaba yami. Athi obhala kahle isililo sika Jeremiah, athi wena osusindile enkembeni, athi baleka, ungabusama, athi uziyocasha emboshongweni. Kunale nkonzo ehlalayo enhlizweni yami, kunale nkonzo enokuthula empilweni yami ethi ungesabi, ungakhali ngokuba mina Jehova uNkulunkulu wakho sengifikile. Ungesabi, ungakhali ngokuba mina Jehova uNkulunkulu wakho sengifikile. Ungesabi, ungakhali ngokuba mina Jehova uNkulunkulu wakho sengifikile. That's your word for today. Ungesabi, ungakhali ngokuba mina Jehova uNkulunkulu wakho sengifikile. Sikho isidingo sokwesaba. Ungesabi, ungakhali ngokuba mina Jehova uNkulunkulu wakho sengifikile. Ngiyamthanda uJesu mayifika. Buka owesifazane. Buka lo mfelokazi. Buka lolusizi. Ngiyacabanga enhlizweni yami uzwa nemvunge. Uzwa nokukhuluma kwabantu. Akayi kuyomkhalisa. Kodwa uyomtshela ukuba ungesabi. Ungakhali ngokuba mina sengifikile. Ngiyalithanda izwi likaNkulunkulu. Then verse 14, Jesus stepped forward and he touched the coffin, and the bearers stopped. And he said to the young man, I tell you, arise. Talitha kum. I tell you, get up. khona into uNkulunkulu angenzela yona. Uyasondela uyothinta ibhokisi elithwele isidumbu, abamthwele bayama. Kodwa kungimangaza kakhulu ukhuluma nofileyo into life, ukhuluma nofileyo as if akafile, uyovusa okufile akunikeze ukuphila. Ngathi uNkulunkulu bengamemeza emadlebeni ethu namhlanje athi vuka, athi get up, athi rise again, athi sukuma, athi talitha kum, athi uhlaleleni entweni ekulimazayo, athi uhlaleleni emakhazeni, athi uhlaleleni emeveni, athi uhlaleleni emanzini, athi uhlaleleni emlilweni. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu wethu ngathi ubengamemeza athi sibanibani sekusuku lakho lokuthi usukume la ukhona. Athi sibanibani sekusuku lakho lokubuyeke lento ekulimazayo. Athi sibanibani sekusuku lakho to walk away from this. Athi sibanibani there is no need of shame and guilt, kodwa usuku lakho selifikile lokubukhululeke. Athi today is the day you walk free. Yazi uNkulunkulu namhlanje ngathi uthi ake ukhohlwe abanye abantu, ake ukhohlwe ukuthi izwe lizothini, ake ukhohlwe ukuthi osibanibani bazothini, ake ukhululeke kulezi ibopho ohleli kuzona, ake ukhululeke kulezi zinto ezicindezelayo, ake ukhululeke kulezi zinto ezikwenza isigqila, ake ukhululeke kulezi zinto ehlukumeza umoya wakho. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu ungenzela isimanga. Izwi lokuqala lithe ungakhali, ungathuki, ungesabi. Manje usethi your time has come. The time for deliverance is now. The time for blessing is now. Yazi uNkulunkulu uyangimangaza uyovusa ofileyo kwabafileyo. Ngathi enhlizweni yami uyoqaqa abafileyo kwizinto ezibabophile. Kuyavuka kumina uJohn chapter 11 uma eyomemeza uLazarus. Uthi mqaqeni, uthi msuseni lezi zinto esenimgcobe zona, msuseni lezi zinto esenimbophe ngazo, msuseni nalokubola osekusemzimbeni wakhe, msuseni nalezi nyembezi esenimthele ngazo, nimfunelana ophilayo kwabafileyo, nimbekelana nokuphila kwabafileyo. Uyazi ithandwa zami, hey moya ongcwele, uyazi kunabantu who have written you off. Kunabantu abayitshela ukuthi awusento yalutho. Kunabantu abayitshela ukuthi awusoze waphumelela. Kunabantu abayitshela ukuthi njoba ushayekile ngeke uphinde uvuke, njoba ungasasebenzi ngeke uphinde uqashwe ndawo, ngoba isimo sesinje ngeke uphinde ube nabantwana, ngoba ulahlekelwe umuzi ngeke uphinde ube nomuzi, ngoba ungasenamoto ngeke uphinde ube nalutho. Ufuna ukutshela namhlanje ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu uthi vuka. uNkulunkulu wethu uyazi uyangithusa ngathi uthi kumina vuka emaphusheni. Yabona khona abantu ithandwa zami abaphila impilo as if basebuthongweni, baphila impilo as if they are asleep. thina namhlanje uNkulunkulu vuka kulobuthongo obubangibeka ngakho. Uyabazi ubuthongo basekuseni, ubuthongo obushushuzelayo sengathi ungalala, and abuve buyingozi, because lobo buthongo you can end up ususelwa, you can oversleep. Kodwa namhlanje ngimbona uNkulunkulu esibiza ngamagama ethi sibanibani, get up. Ethi sibanibani, it is your moment of grace. Ethi sibanibani, it is time for you to experience your mercy, to experience my love, to experience my deliverance. It is time for you to be one with me in the most beautiful and blessed way. Isikhathi sokuba uamukele and experience uthando lwami. Nangu uNkulunkulu esivusa, nangu uNkulunkulu esibiza ngamagama, nangu uNkulunkulu esitshela ukuthi no, la isihleli khona awubonini ukuthi uzolimala. Vuka, suka la ukhona. It touches me. Your time begins now. If you're praying for change, this is a sign. If you're praying for deliverance, this is a sign. If you're praying for something better, this is the word. Vuka. Don't delay. Asikho isikhathi sokuhlala ngilinde. Asikho isikhathi esiyodlula lesi. Nangu uNkulunkulu esethi ungesabi. Mina nginawe, ngizokusiza. Now I love this. In verse 15, the dead man sat up and he began to speak. And Jesus gave him to his mother. Wasukuma, wahlala phansi, waxoxa indaba, wamthatha uJesu, wambeka engalweni kanina. How many of us have amaphupho that have died? Broken promises, collapsed dreams, visions we no longer talk about. Khona abantu ababethi yazi ngiyafisa ukwenza ukuthi, uyazi ngiyathanda ukwenza ukuthi, uyazi ngiyamfisa uNkulunkulu angenzele ukuthi. And over time we forgot about those dreams. Over time we forgot about our ambition. Over time we forgot who we are. Khona izinto sisakhula that we used to say, mase ngimdala ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi, mase ngiright ngifuna ukuba nokuthi. And some of us have dreams that never became a reality, have songs that were never written nor sung, have places we never went to. Ngiyamthanda uJesu. Uyavuka lo mfana, uyaxoxa lo mfana, uyakhuluma lo mfana, ebesebuka unina uJesu athi, here is your dream again, here is your wish again, here is your promise again. Kodwa above all ngathi uthi, here is your other chance to live again. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu ngimcela asinikeze elinye ithuba lokuphila. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu ngimcela ukuba asinikeze another chance in life. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu ngimcela ukuthi aphinde asizame, abone ukuthi ngeke yini senze kangcono this time around. Ngimbona uNkulunkulu esibeka eingalweni zikanina. Ngimbona uNkulunkulu ethi sibanibani, vula izandla zakho, ngifuna ukukubusisa ngalokhu ozitshela wena ukuthi sekulahlekile. Ngifuna ukubuyisela osekudliwe isikhonyana, ngifuna ukuqinisa osekulimele, ngifuna ukwelapha osekugula. Nasi isandla somusa. athi ucula kahle, athi sihlalo esomusa, athi ngikusona manje, athi mawungangedluli Jesu. Wamthatha wambeka kunina. I love this. Fear seized them all, and they glorified God, exclaiming, a great prophet has arisen in our midst, and God has visited his people. Prophet omkhulu obabazekayo sefikile phakathi kwethu, and uNkulunkulu ufikile uphakathi kwabantu bakhe. Ngithanda lenkonzo. This report about him spread through all the whole of Judea and in the surrounding region. Kodwa igama engilithandayo, God has visited his people. That's my last word. May God visit you this morning. May God visit you this morning. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakuvakashela. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angaba nawe. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angalungisa isimo sakho, isimo sakini, isimo sasemsebenzini, isimo sasesikoleni. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakulungisela isimo osabayo ukukhuluma ngaso. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakulungisela isimo esikudlayo iminyaka silently abantu abazi. May God visit you today. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angakuvakashela, and may your life never be the same. Lokhu okukusindayo, okukhathazayo, sengathi uNkulunkulu mekuvakashele angakuthatha akususe kuwena. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo.